botany subject optional syllabus. So this is the video for botany optional paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus. Hello everyone, my name is Himani Sharma. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's video I am going to tell you about the botany subject optional syllabus. So this is the video for botany optional paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus. So for paper 1 you have to cover microbiology and plant pathology. In microbiology and plant pathology, microbial diversity, structure and reproduction of bacteria, virus and fungi. Another topics you have to cover is plant disease, like their causes, symptoms and control measures. Now for plant pathogen interaction, you have to cover all these topics in this. Now come to the next point, that is cryptograms and gymnosperm. We all know that gymnosperms, what is gymnosperms and cryptograms. So in this unit you have to cover classification and characteristic of algae, fungi, lichens, bryophytes and petridophytes. So in this topic you have to cover these topics. And another one is life cycle of representative forms, structure, reproduction and ecological significance of gymnosperm. Another is anatomy and embryology, structure and function of plant tissues and their organs. You have to cover these in anatomy and embryology. Second one is meristem and growth. Third one is embryology, development of embryo and seeds. You have to cover these in anatomy and embryology. Now come to the next point, that is taxonomy of angiosperm. So in taxonomy of angiosperm you have to cover principles and theories of plant taxonomy. Another one is modern trends in plant taxonomy. Next topic is classification of angiosperm. You have to cover these in taxonomy of angiosperm. Now come to the next, that is plant physiology. So in plant physiology you have to cover the topic like plant water relations, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis and respiration. Third one is growth and development. Fourth one is plant hormones and growth regulator. So you have to cover all these topics in plant physiology. Now come to the next, for paper 2. There is two paper for optional subject and it is a weightage paper. So for paper 1 I have already discussed the syllabus. Now come to the for paper 2, what you have to cover in paper 2. So for paper 2, this is the cell biology and genetics. In paper 2, first unit is cell biology and genetics. You have to cover structure and function of plant cell organelles. Another one is cell cycle and cell division. Third one is Mendelian genetics. Come to the next, that is chromosome structure and inheritance. This is not the deeply syllabus, but I am giving you just overview of the syllabus, what topic you should have cover in this. So for this chromosome structure and inheritance, another topic is gene expression and regulation. These topics are very important for the syllabus. Now come to the plant breeding and biotechnology. You have to cover principles, method of plant breeding, what is plant breeding, what its method. You have to cover all these details. Now come to the hybridization technique. In hybridization you have to cover mutation, breeding and polyploidy. And second one is transgenic plants and genetic engineering. These also cover in this topic. Now third one is application of biotechnology. What is biotechnology, what is the use of biotechnology, what are the application of biotechnology. You have to cover all the things in it. And biotechnology in agriculture and industry, also the use of biotechnology in industry and agriculture. Now come to the ecology and environment. In ecology and environment you have to cover ecological concepts and level of organization, population ecology. Now third is community ecology. Fourth one is ecosystem ecology. biodiversity and conservation. So you have to cover all these things in ecology and environment. Now come to the next point, that is economic botany. What is economic botany? And the topic you have to cover in economic botany is economic importance of plants. Second one is agriculture and crop improvement. You have to cover agriculture and crop improvement, medicinal plants and photochemicals. You should also cover these. Fourth one is fiber, timber and fuel plants. Next is food and spices plants. So in economic botany, you have to cover all these topics. Now come to the next, that is ethnobotany and plant geography. So in ethobotany and plant geography, you have to cover the topics, that is ethnobotanical studies, traditional knowledge and uses of plants by indigenous communities. So you have to cover these in ethnobotany and plant geography. Now the last of this step is plant geography and distribution patterns, plant adaptation to different habitats. So I hope you will get the syllabus of botany optional for UPSC exam, and it is very weightage in mains exam. So this I am just giving you the overview of the syllabus, and this is not in the detail. There is detailed syllabus of these topics, so you have to go through it, and I hope this video finds you informative. Thank you.